Although practically all of Samsung's hardware specs and design elements have previously leaked, there is an issue with the S24 Ultra. According to Ice Universe, the S24 Ultra's telephoto sensor is having some troubles. The software version is almost complete, however all of the photographs shot at 10x zoom are loaded with noise. Those who prefer capturing zoomed-in shots should be prepared for this issue. Ice Universe also stated that while the 5x zoom performance is adequate, the 10x zoom performance is disastrous. The root cause of this problem is unknown, as it could be related to either software or hardware. Given that the S24 Ultra already struggles with 10x zoomed-in shots, concerns about performance beyond 10x zoom naturally arise. I'm especially concerned about the capabilities of its 100x zoom feature, since if the 10x zoom is insufficient, what can we expect from magnification? Perhaps Samsung will fix this issue in an update within a week's time. Furthermore, Samsung's choice about the telephoto sensor utilized on their devices changed. They originally planned to add an IMX875 sensor but have now decided for an IMX854 sensor instead. In addition to early hands-on photographs of the S24 Ultra, this latest development has further heightened concerns about shooting detailed shots on the S24 Ultra while employing levels of zoom. When compared to the S23 Ultra, Ice Universe made various observations concerning the display. Ice Universe has described the next device's design as beautiful, and there's a reason for that. For the first time on any Galaxy phone, we'll see symmetrical bezels on this model with a very slim bezel size of just 1.5mm, which is 40% smaller than the bezel on the S23 Ultra. He also revealed that not only are its sides curved, but so are its corners, giving it a more premium feel when held in hand. This specific model also has a titanium look. According to Ice Universe, it is titanium gold, and it seems that they have created quite an impression with this hue, which many of us may not have expected. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.